honey. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm going to open up my honey mail. Look at all this, yeah. The box, the package, and the envelope. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the envelope. And it's from my honey, Miss Muhammad. I haven't looked at anything. And everything was sent to my post office mailbox. I'm trying to open it. I'm trying to get a little. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord have mercy. Okay. Okay. If I can't get in it, I don't need it. What I got, y'all? First, I'm gonna read this little note. Okay, it says, "Hi Cheryl." That's my name. One of my daughters gave me one of these key rings. When I saw that you shop at Aldi's too, I thought that you would like one too. They came with different designs on the back. I picked this one because it had red in the design. Don't push the quarter in too far. Oh! Okay. It will be hard to pull out. That's the only problem. Then Walter may have to get it out, laughing out loud. I hope that it comes in handy. Miss Muhammad. Look at this, y'all. This is an Aldi's key ring. Look at that. And it has a quarter in it. Because we have to pay a quarter to rent their little shopping carts. And this quarter will always be handy if I keep it on my key ring with the quarter already in it. And she said don't push it in too far because I can't get it out. So it says Aldi on this side. And look at this red and white design on the back. Like a peppermint. Look at that. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Because I'm up at Aldi's all the time. And I don't always have a quarter. I try to keep a quarter in my pocket. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate this. This makes me happy. And you got this heavy duty key ring thingy. Okay. So this is going on my car key ring today. I got a house key ring and I got a car key ring. So this is so nice. Because whenever I'm at Aldi, I got the car with me. So once again, that's what it looks like. It says Aldi on it. And the little red and white design on the back. Thank you very much. Okay. Put that there. And I'm opening this package. Premium Beauty. Wow, they got a bunch of dates on this package. 1/26, 1/31, 2/11. Then I guess they were going to send it back because I hadn't been out the house for a while. Okay. Okay, let me open this without stabbing myself. I got a steak knife. Try not to destroy what's in it. Okay. Oh my goodness. What's this by? Okay. Somebody else done sent me a wig, and I don't know who it's by. You know, I got one before. It says, a gift for you. Hi, Cheryl. Enjoy your gift. So it's a short silver gray bob wig. We're going to look at this. Because I stopped down my edges. Today I just used a little bit of that black hair gel on my edges. Still trying to get in. I have no idea who it's from. None at all. I hate when these hair nets stick. I can't get them off. Okay. Okay. There's no combs in this wig, but it is two adjustable straps in the back. Let's see what the wig is. And it got a little part that I can doctor up. Okay, I think I can work with this. I've been wanting a gray wig that actually looks good. Okay. I think this will look good because it's dark at the top. I like the little curl going on down here. Let me not make it bushy. Okay, yes. That's the way it looks in the front, and it has a right side part, I think. Yeah, right side part. And a little curly side bang action going on. Okay, whoever sent this, I like this. If I didn't like it, I would tell you, and I would be trying to send it back. It does have a gift receipt, so I'll see how well I like it after I put it on. And I hope it looks good on me. But so far, so good, because I like this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the ombre color, look at that. And it's not so much white or silver around my face. It's dark right here. This is pretty. Okay, thank you. Unidentified honey. Okay. This is from somebody in Detroit, Michigan. Miss Macklin. Try to get in it. Yeah, folks know to package my stuff up real good, because my post office people, they be going in stuff. And I got a story to tell y'all in another video about my latest giveaway. Oh my goodness, child. And something else I want to say. Okay, this is my right post office mailbox number, but sometimes when you all send me stuff, the numbers are reversed. So my number is 2153, not 2135. Because in the post office, they had trouble locating what belongs to me if the wrong number is on there. Oh my. Lord have mercy. Dish towels, washcloths. Oh my goodness, y'all. I mentioned in one video how hubby messes up my, oh, this is a long letter, two-sided. Okay, basically, they're saying it's asking how I'm doing. They went to Walmart and stocked up, really, on all the seasoned flour. They got 3 boxes of Kentucky Colonel. They got the garlic, herb, and lemon pepper. They also bought the House Autry and the Hooters mixes. They have chicken wings in the freezer. And she just thawed out some pork chops. She wants to know, have I ever made bacon wrapped tater tots? Okay. She's telling me these some dish towels that she know I can use. And she was telling me something to mention to Doug and to Booger. Tater tots cook at 400 degrees for 8 minutes in the air fryer. And this is a fan of chicken wings also, but they also like thighs, drumsticks, any kind of way. Thank you so much, Miss Macklin. Thank you very much. These dish towels will really come in handy because I'm always in the kitchen. Thank you so much. Let's see, she wrote my address on the inside of this box. Okay, thank you. I appreciate this a whole lot. Now, the big one. Make sure it's mine, because, well, it is, because it was in my mailbox. Sometimes my daughter has stuff delivered here. Okay, look at this. Somebody sent me another batter bowl. You know, one of the chicken breader bowls. I've seen this on Amazon. Perfect even coating without the mess. I know who sent this already. Oh my, look at this, y'all. I think the last time I made pizza, I think I had to make it in the oven because the pizza was too deep dish for my pizza maker. It was too tall. And I mentioned that I wish that somebody would make a pizza slicer with the this kind of thing on it. Look at this, y'all. Here's a pizza slicer. And it has the thing where you can just lift it up. Lift up the slice. Now I'm thinking I'm inventing something in my mind, and somebody already made it. And my honey sent it to me. I know it was Larry and Toby. Okay, let me see. Amazon always sends notes in here and gift receipts just in case. And this one don't say who it's from. Yes, it is. Okay, a gift for you. Hi, MzBrazell, and enjoy your gift from Larry and grandson Toby. Thank you, Larry and Toby. Oh my God, I feel like it's Christmas time today. And it has gift receipt just in case I need to send something back. 2 gift receipts for the 2 things in here. Thank you. And Amazon makes it easy. It's going in my utensil drawer. Thank you so much. I was wanting this. Let me look at this butter bowl thingy. Okay, I got a huge one. Now this is a large one too, but not as big as the other one I have. Nice. Very nice. And the top and bottom are exactly the same. This little cagey thing. Oh, it has a little indentation in this part. So this way you can put the meat. So just make sure you put it on right. Like that. First of all, you put your breading in the bottom of the bowl. Put this in there. Put your meat in there, and then put the top on. And make sure you hold these things on the sides before you shake it up. Thank you very much, Larry and Toby. I really appreciate this. And this is a keeper. Thank you. This is a keeper. This is a keeper. I hope it fits my big head. And Miss Macklin, thank you so much for my variety of dish towels. Thank you. I will be using them. And Miss Muhammad, thank you very much. It's going on my key ring today. So, I want to thank you all for all of MzB'z HONEYZ mail. Thank you. I really appreciate you all. Whether it's big or small, just a note or a card, I appreciate it. For real, for real. Thank you very much. Okay, thumbs up this video. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave a link to this and this in my description box. Yeah, this came from Amazon, I imagine. Yeah. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Okay. Bye. I can't hold all this stuff up. So my face I have to do.